Good morning mga biyahero. So today from Cebu Pier, papunta tayo ng Bohol for today. Yes, you heard it right. So magbabarko lang tayo for today's video papunta ng Bohol. So let's go. And by this time, umalis tayo ng pier ng 3:30 AM. So yes, sobrang aga. And I think nakarating tayo sa Tagbilaran Fort ng like around 5:30. Something like that. So medyo sakto pa rin naman tayo sa oras para sa pick up ng ating tour for today. Karamihan pala ng pwede nyo sakyan dito sa Bohol pagbaba nyo ng port ay yung mga e-trike or tuk-tuk ba yung tawag dito, basta mga electric vehicle. So sila yung mga maghahatid sa inyo papunta sa inyong mga destination. So ayan, marami tayong nasasalubong na e-trike dito. So today nagbook lang tayo sa Klook for the whole day activity natin. So from BQ Mall, it's around 1 and 20 minutes na biyahe papunta sa ating first stop, which is the Chocolate Hills. So mahaba-habang biyahe to and wavy yung daan, kaya very ano lang siya, roller coaster. So a guided tour also, then you have to follow our tour guides. At the same time, our tour guide will bring your phone to take the picture and video during your ride. So it's 1,300 per person. Whole ride. How about you, sir? And yes, it's giving Garin Farm na naman from Iloilo ang akyata natin patungo sa taas ng Chocolate Hills para makita natin yung 360 view ng mga Chocolate Hills. And from this side naman, matatanaw natin ang trail ng ATV na ino-offer nila a while ago. So ayan, seems exciting naman, pero di na natin tinry ang activity nito since super init talaga ng panahon. And to our next stop, 30 minutes away from Chocolate Hills, Tarsier Conservation Area. And before tayo pumasok sa mismong area, we need to pay for a regular payment for around 170 pesos. And they also giving discounts for PWD, senior, and students.
Actually, while watching these little creatures, may mga tourist attendant naman na pwede nyo pagtanungan if you are curious about anything sa mga tertiary na ito. Like, as per do sa napagtanungan ko, humahaba yung lifespan nila for around 15 to 25 years. And as you can see, hindi sila masyadong active. So, since sila ay mga nocturnal animals, so mas active sila at night. So parang owl ang datingan ng ating mga tertiary dito. Hindi sila nahihiya. It's because morning pa. And ayun, mapapansin din natin na mas malalaki din yung male tertiary compare sa mga female. Chichaw. And 4 minutes away for our third stop, the man-made forest. And as per Kuya Bito, our driver for this tour, ito ay mga mahogany trees. So habang dumadaan ka dito, mapapansin mo ang biglang lamig ng hangin at ang tahimik na paligid. So yeah, it's not just about stuff for photos, but reminder of how nature, when cared of, can become something truly magical. To our lunchtime, we are going to Lubok, a floating cottage for our lunchtime. So, dito tayo binaba para magpa-reserve ng cottage. So, let's go.
Now serve priority level 113.
Lahat ng destination. Ang daming isda. Ilang bite. Ganda. Ang dami. Ang cute.
This boat ride takes like around 1 hour, including na yung pagkain natin, the buffet, and also part din ng pag-ikot natin sa river na to ay Lubok performer. So ayan, naimbitahan din tayo na sumayaw. Ewan ko din ba ba't hindi nagsisink yung utak ko sa paa ko dito. And To be honest, sa tanang buhay ko, first time ko ding magtinikling. Ewan ko din ba? Oh, ayan, sige. Freestyle mo. May gusto kang sayo, ha? Magra-round 2 ka pa. Magaling ka, boss. Sige, pro yan. Sige. Thank you! At after natin kumain, antok na ang trentahen. So next stop natin is Baclayon Church, Blood Compact Plaza, and Souvenir Shop. So ayun na lang yung mga dadaanan natin this time. And di na tayo masyado nakapag-video kasi sobrang init talaga. And nagpahatid na rin tayo to our hotel. Bohol, grabe. Sobrang worth it. Actually, affordable naman siya. And the experience, nakaka-refresh ng soul. Parang mapapahinga ka talaga from everything. If you are thinking of going, this is your sign. Go for it and you deserve it.